Welcome back to Sawyer Farm. Today we're just going to be taking you along just kind of our somewhat daily routine with the the new puppies that we have with Judah mainly. If you watched our previous videos, you've probably seen some of us do it with Moses, but we're just going to kind of show you a little bit with Judah, kind of what we've been doing for these past since we've had them, and then we'll just actually we're going to let Moses and Judah play for y'all, let you kind of see what we do pretty much every day, just kind of the morning routine with chores and just things like that. So just stay along. Good boy. Good boy, Judah. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Judah. Good boy. Good boy. Stay. Break. Good boy. All right, so as you can see, we take the dogs through the exact same kind of routine in the morning. We take Judah, we take him through all the animals. Once he's done, then we go get Moses. We didn't want to, bore you with doing it all over again, but the exact same thing. Take him to the rabbits, the chickens, the pigs, the goats. We just take them all along so they keep getting used to being around these animals. We do it every day because we want them to be successful later down the line. And if they're always used to these animals being here and seeing them daily, they're less likely that they're going to kind of go after them. So they're still in training. And the other reason, some may think of, why don't you put them together and kind of go? Well, if you ever had like two brothers and you tell them to go do a project, they'll do the project for a little bit, and then they start fighting, bickering, and they start going back and forth and everything. They're not focused on it. So it's kind of the same scenario with this. We wanted to separate because we got to train them, because if they're together, they're just going to play with each other, move around. They're not going to listen, and we can't have that. So that's why we do it separate. One goes first, the other goes second, and then right now we're going to, once they're done with their training and kind of the chores, now we let them play for a good while. We'll let Moses in the front yard, and then we'll let Judah out in the field and just let them play, so they're kind of both in each other's kind of environments. So that's what we're going to show you right now. We're going to just let them play like we let them do every single day. Guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. We hope you really enjoyed it. We just kind of wanted to take you along kind of our morning routine with the puppies and their training, just here with the livestock. That's kind of what the morning training is getting them around the livestock. If y'all like these videos, with the dogs and kind of the training, put it down in the comments. If you want to see kind of more of the us training our new Cane Corso and Moses, we're still training him. Training never stops. We're socializing Judah a lot. If y'all want us to take along with that, just let us know, and just put it down in the comments if you want to see some videos kind of like that and what we've been doing with them on a daily basis. We really appreciate y'all stopping by. Hit the like buttons, comments. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. It helps us out a lot. And y'all take care, and God bless.